موونگ فارورڈ بیٹا دیکھیں جو اتنے ادارے ہمارے یونیورسٹیز ہیں انسٹیٹیوشنس ہیں ان میں اور ایک ڈپارٹمنٹ ون آف دا امپورٹنٹ ڈپارٹمنٹ ہے آئیڈیا سے ریلیٹڈ. آپ کا کیا ٹھیک ہوگا کہ جیسے ایک اورک ہے یو ایس ایم ایس تو باقی جتنے یونیورسٹیز میں اورک ہے ان کے درمیان کولیبریشن سے کچھ ہو سکتا ہے؟ کیونکہ آج تو سارے اورک کے لوگ ہی ہوں گے لیکن آج کے بعد وہ پھر ڈس انٹیگریٹ ہو جائیں گے. ایسا لگتا ہے کہ آپ کا آئیڈیا ہے تو خود آپ کی ذمہ داری ہے. تو کوئی ایسے کوئی ڈپارٹمنٹ کریٹ ہو سکتا ہے, اس کا کچھ بینیفٹ ہو سکتا ہے, اس میں جو وائس چانسلرس کا رول کیا ہو سکتا ہے, کین یو سے؟
Thank you again, Akhtar. In fact, see, when we are trying to reach to any solution, networking is the one answer. And if you say networking amongst ORIC directors, so I must share with you that ORIC-based WhatsApp group exists. So where we have larger number of the directors of ORICs, they all are connected. I've been a part of that ORIC director. I've never been a director of ORIC, lekin I'm a HEC member. Plus at the same time, I'm in an advisory group of Hyderabad and IC. But at the same time, again, my background is from the entrepreneurship, so I've been connected almost to the QECs, to the ORICs, to all these kind of relevant institutions. So I'm somehow be a part of these WhatsApp groups. Now let me tell you, what do they share? What do we share in these WhatsApp groups? We are sharing the list of flyers and events, something like this that we are doing. Second, now this is again, I would say, is a first step jahan par hum ruke hue hain. And when you say awareness, when you say financial awareness, ho gayi, system awareness, ho gayi, business incubation center banana ho gaya, national incubation center banana, this is all first step. First step means we are trying to facilitate that at least people or students are aware that something like this exists into the environment, and somehow we can materialize or capitalize on these activities and can go beyond. Lekin beyond nahi ho pata. The very first reason that the innovation ecosystem so far unfortunately do not exist in Pakistan. If you see your ranking in ease of doing business in Pakistan, in 119 economies, we are at a very pathetic position. So when you say ease of doing business ही नहीं है, तो कोई भी बच्चा या कोई भी इंडस्ट्री जब अपने बिजनेस के ऊपर काम करना शुरू करता है, उसे स्ट्रगल्स होते हैं. It's not an easy endeavor. Being an entrepreneur is not an easy endeavor. Now because it's difficult endeavor, what happens कि आप पहला स्टेप लेंगे, दूसरा लेंगे, तीसरे पे थक जाएंगे. So उस थकावट को कैसे रोकें? So yes, pivoting or changing or bringing innovation into the idea is one of the solutions. But at the same time, it's a passion. Passion in the work environment, passion in your own idea. लेकिन struggle क्या होता है? Again, with the boy students particularly, the family pressure begins. The mother, the parents, the father, the sister, they will say, अभी कमाना start नहीं किया है, degree हो गई, अभी इतना time हो गया, what you are doing since that many days? So now being an entrepreneur is a very difficult endeavor, especially in the context of Pakistan, where systems in fact are not supporting us. There used to be a time that we were going to the SCCP for only registration of your company, 3-4 mahine lag jate the. So we have been engaged with this SCCP activity. हमें कैसे process को one window करें. और one window का concept है कि if somebody come up with only a filing of an application, everything should be done on your part. Why a student or an entrepreneur had to struggle into this entire journey, to look up into this entire process कि मेरा case कहाँ तक पहुँचा है? It should be on your part. So unfortunately, what is happening that we are struggling to give trainings, we are struggling to give awareness, we are struggling to create an environment, an event, something like this. लेकिन उसके next नहीं जा रहे. तो next ना जाने का one of the reasons I would say that there is no ecosystem, the entrepreneurial ecosystem, which facilitates our entrepreneurs, but even which will facilitate our existing industry. If you go to the Chamber of Commerce, ये सारा दिन बोलेंगे light का bill पैसे कहाँ से लाएं? Every industry that will go to the Chamber of Commerce, they will only cry that. I had to attend certain of meetings in Chamber of Commerce and Industry, और वहाँ पे we were doing a USAID project with Mehran University of a water bottle. And the director there came up with extraordinary technology. हमने nano material से membrane बना दी है. Now that membrane can filter this type of contamination. And if you come up with a water bottle, वो आपको इन सारी बीमारियों से ठीक कर देगा. The industry people came and he said, I'm not interested what you're talking about. I'm interested कि बोतल 10 रुपए कम कैसे होगी? Now that's the demand that we need to understand. And when you see in terms of perspective of a scientist or a technologist, he has nothing to do with the economy, honestly speaking. Supply demand तो बाद में आता है ना, उसे पता ही नहीं उसकी water bottle कितने की है. How can he or she reduce their 10 rupees? So it's not the awareness. Kindly believe it, we have done a lot for awareness. Since 2000 onwards, HVC बनने के बाद, business incubation centers, ORIC offices, I'm talking about 2003 and 4, जब ORIC की abbreviation भी नहीं आती थी लोगों को. Now today we know it's an Office of Research, Innovation, Commercialization. But unfortunately, somehow most of us are not able to distinguish between innovation and commercialization. Innovation, if you are going to define, it's a value that need to be added into the invention. And without that value to be added into the innovation, into the product, commercialization है ही नहीं. So I have a question on this name at least. जब innovation मौजूद है तो commercialization की ज़रूरत क्या है? ठीक है, so there's so many questions that have been raised. I have been struggling with this in the debates, not only with HEC, not only with the ORIC, not only with the HRC, but the Ministry of Science and Technology. हम इस debate को करते रहते हैं, लेकिन unfortunately nothing concrete is coming out of debate. Only why? Because this ecosystem so far not being flourished in the Pakistan. जो चीज हम यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं, we have to do it like additional steps. You have to take additional pain to register your company. You have to take additional pain to go through these fascinating institutions. जो सारे यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं, फिर वो इधर यूनिवर्सिटी है या इंडस्ट्री है या SCCP है, NIC में सबके नाम लिख रही हूँ. Because as far as we as an institutions are concerned, हमें भी अपने systems का पूरा पता नहीं. I'm dead honest at the moment. लेकिन we need to realize where are the mistakes. Until unless we will not realize our weaknesses, we will not be able to take a step forward. So सबसे पहले identify करें गलती कहाँ है. सबसे पहले ये देखें कि where I am wrong. So find out first where are the deficiencies, and once we realize this, we'll be able to cope up gradually. So kindly look up to your own systems. देखिए हम facilitate कैसे कर सकते हैं. But it's enough of doing awareness. I'm so sorry for talking about it, but we have done a lot of awareness. WhatsApp group में चले जाए, it's completely awareness. Go to the universities is totally awareness. Go to the NIC is completely awareness. So its awareness is good, trainings are good because capacity building is always important, but try to take another step, which is the dire need of Pakistan at the moment. हमें कुछ भी नहीं करना है. What we need to do is to come up with a range of our own products, and those products could be your import substitute. आपके shelf भरे हुए हैं, आपकी दुकानें भरी हुई हैं exported products के साथ. Try to come up with something that can really substitute this. Import substitute is the only solution for Pakistan if we really want to progress, if we really want to come up with economic prosperity. Else, सिर्फ e-commerce websites बना देना, सिर्फ WhatsApp group पे connect हो जाना, सिर्फ networking होना will never solve the Pakistan issues. I am sorry if I've been a bit much harsh, but this is the fact, and I've been struggling with this since last 2 decades. Thank you very much.
At that time we will contribute in the differently. Now we have to regard our guests. I want to request the Vice Chancellor, Dr. Pilla, to decorate to our guest, the Vice Chairman, Chamber of Commerce, Shan Sigal.